Hi everyone, thanks so much for watching. So this video is about signs of spiritual awakening and how to recognize and embrace your journey. Doesn't that sound like AI, that title? We'll see. I mean, apparently it's a hot topic, so I'm gonna talk about it. I'm only gonna address one sign of spiritual awakening because there's so many, but here's a quote that's one of my quotes. The longer I am on the spiritual path, the more aware I am that it's all about loving and honoring my humanness. And so a sign of spiritual awakening is that you begin to relate to your human condition with so much more understanding, with so much more compassion, with acceptance, with love, with yielding. And what I mean by yielding is, most of us, especially women, we have this inner critic, and she can be relentless and brutal and terrible. And so that was a strategy, this inner critic. It was a strategy that we formed when we were really young as a way to sort of self-motivate and to keep ourselves going. And that criticism was really learned from society, maybe unfortunately from our parents who were just doing the best that they could, maybe from some other sort of mentor that you had in your life. But when we begin to awaken spiritually, it means that we've come into greater resonance and greater contact with our authentic, true, essential nature. And our authentic, true, essential nature is the energy and the presence of love, right? So when we can begin to relate to our humanness, which is, I don't know about you, but mine is gloriously flawed. It's messy and it can be complicated and confusing. It can be painful. And I have a choice in how I meet those parts of myself. I can bring out that inner critic and kick myself when I'm down, or I can bring in this loving presence. So when we awaken spiritually, it's that we have a greater level of awareness around this loving essence. And we begin to use that loving essence as a way to soothe, heal, support, accept, understand, and love our sweet selves. My name is Donna Bond. If you found this helpful, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. Thank you.